Okay, good morning students, first PUC students. Yesterday class, which one is completed? This is the radians convert into degrees, degrees convert into radians. 1 pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, the radians is converted into degrees, so degrees is converted into radians is the first topic. Next topic is, this is science of trigonometric functions. Okay, science of trigonometric functions and find out other trigonometric functions. Okay, this type 1. Okay, I will recall. First, all silver teacups in which functions are in the first positive in the first quadrant? Which functions? All functions are positive. All functions are positive. And the second quadrant, which one is positive? All silver, sine, cosecant. S silver, S for sine, sine reciprocal, cosecant. Sine, cosecant are positive, remaining are negative. In third quadrant, tan, cot are positive, remaining are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos, secant are positive, remaining are negative. Okay, I will recall the fundamental formulas. First of all, sin theta, this is the theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this one of hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. This one. And one more, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Secant of minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Next one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next third one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is also 1. And next one more, signs of the trigonometric functions in quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, which one is positive, which one is negative. So this is the one table, draw one table. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, quadrants. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant 2. Okay, in first quadrant, which are positive? All are positive functions in the first quadrant. In second quadrant, all silver tea cups. First quadrant emo all, second quadrant emo silver, third quadrant emo tea, fourth quadrant emo cups. All are positive. Silver. S for sine. Reciprocal of sine, cosecant. Sine reciprocal cosecant. These two are positive. Remainings are negative. In third quadrant, all silver tea. T for tan. Tan positive. Reciprocal of tan, cot. Both are positive. Remainings are negative. In fourth quadrant, cups. C for cos. Cos positive, reciprocal of cos, secant positive. The remainings are negative. Okay, write down. Okay. Okay. Exercise 3.2. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Means any one trigonometric function value is given. We have to find out remaining other 5 trigonometric function values. This problem is depending on the table. Which function is positive in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. This is the table is main important. Okay, listen carefully. First one, cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. First problem, cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos negative. Okay. First, triangle. First step 1, triangle. Theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side by adjacent side. This is 1 adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is equal to adjacent side 1, hypotenuse 2. Negative, don't take negative. First of all, positive. Okay, positive or negative, anyone are given. First we have to take positive value. Okay, 1 adjacent side, 2 hypotenuse. Adjacent side, one side and hypotenuse given. But how to find out opposite side? So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So one side square is equal to one side square, any side square is equal to hypotenuse square minus other side. This one. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. We want one side, means hypotenuse square minus remaining side. So only side is equal to what? Root of hypotenuse whole square minus side whole square. How to find out? So this is x. X is equal to what? Root of 2 square minus 1 square, that is equal to root 3. So x root 3. 4 minus 1. Root 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. First, cos x is given. Find out other trigonometric functions. First, sin x. Not theta, this is x. Okay. Sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, root 3 by 2. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin cos x mugittu. Tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, root 3 opposite side root 3 by adjacent side 1 root 3 by 1. Next, cot x adjacent side by opposite side 1 by root 3. Adjacent side 1, opposite side root 3. Next, secant x. Secant x means what? Secant x 1 by secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. So 1 by 2, or secant x is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, hypotenuse 2 by 1. Cosecant x. Cosecant x is equal to what? Cosecant x. Cosecant x is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, hypotenuse 2 by opposite side root 3. Okay. First find out all values. Next, in third quadrant, which are positive in third quadrant? In third quadrant, tan, cot. In third quadrant, tan, cot positive, remaining negative. Remaining means sin x negative, secant x negative, cosecant x negative, cos x negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Secant, cosecant, tan, cot, sin. Total how many is in 6? 6. 2 are positive. Which are positive? In third quadrant, tan, cot positive. Remaining 4 negative. This is the model. Okay. Listen. First, you will observe that this is cos x given function is negative or positive. Given function is negative or positive. Don't take negative. Only first of all calculate all positive values. And next decide the negative or positive by the depending on quadrant, given quadrant. Okay, this is the one. Next another one, cot x. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant. Secant x. Secant x is equal to 13 by 5. 13 by 5. X lies in which quadrant? X lies in fourth quadrant. X lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, four quadrant beat first. Secant. This is x. Secant means what? Secant x is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent side, no opposite side. How to find out opposite side? Root of 13 square minus 5 square. Root of 13, 169 minus 25. That is equal to root 44. Root 44 values to 12. This is the process. Next, one by one. Sin x. Sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Cot x is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Secant x already given. Cosecant x is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Total 1, remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are for positives? Fourth quadrant means what? Cups. Cups means cos secant. Cos secant positive. In fourth quadrant, cos secant positive, remaining are negative. Already secant positive, cos positive, remaining means sin, tan, cot, cosecant. These all are negative. Okay, are you clear? Okay, two models. The remaining for homework you will try. Sin x is equal to, second one, sin x is equal to 3 by 5. In mathematics means textbook is must and should. Sin x is equal to 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. This is the sin x. Sin x is equal to 3 by 5 is second quadrant. Next, another one is 3 cot x. Next, third one is cot x is equal to what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. X belongs to Q3. What is the meaning of x belongs to Q3? X lies in Q3 quadrant 3, third quadrant. Next, fourth completed. Fifth, tan x is equal to what is the tan x is equal to? Minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. So you have to homework. This is very important. Compulsory 1 mark or 2 marks question. Compulsory question. Compulsory question means is a 1 mark question or 2 marks question. Maximum 2 marks question. Okay, you have to try. Next model. find the values of trigonometric functions. Find the values of trigonometric functions. Given trigonometric functions values, we have to find out. So first one, 765. Sin 765. Sin 765. Sin 765 convert into 720 plus 45. 720 means pi is equal to 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180. 4 pi is equal to 720. 4 pi is equal to 720. So this is sin 4 pi plus 45 is nothing but pi by 4. 4 pi plus pi by 4. But 4 pi which quadrant? This is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So this is 1 pi. 0 to 180, 1 pi. Pi is equal to 1 pi. To complete one revolution, 2 pi. Complete one revolution, 2 pi. Again 3 pi. Next again 4 pi. 4 pi, this is the 4 pi also. Even pi, this is odd pi. Even pi, 4 pi plus. 4 pi plus which quadrant? Pi. Plus means before, minus means after. And above, up. Plus means up, minus means down. 4 pi plus which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Okay, so all are positive. In 4 pi means sin A. Sin pi by 4 is equal to what? 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. (360, 180 plus or minus theta). 360 plus or minus theta means function does not change. 90 plus or theta, 270 plus or minus theta means the function can be changed. The 2 pi and 90 into, okay, 90, 4 pi is equal to how many 90s? 4 pi is equal to 8 pi by 2, 8 90s. 8 90s. 90 into even number means that function does not change. 90 into even number. 90 into even number, that function does not change. 90 into odd number, and that means 7 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 is also means that function can be changed. So next, must be changed, not can be changed. Cosecant 1410. Second problem, cosecant minus 1410. So cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. 14 tenths means 720, 1440. 4 pi is equal to 720. 8 pi is equal to 1440. 8 pi. 18 eighths. Okay. So minus cosecant 8 pi minus that is equal to 1440. 1440 minus 30, that is equal to minus cosecant 1440 is equal to 8 pi. 8 pi minus 30 means pi by 6. 8 pi, even pi, this is even pi, this is odd pi. Even pi plus theta, first quadrant. Even pi minus fourth quadrant. Okay, theta belongs to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are positive? Cos secant, means cosecant means negative. Minus of, already minus is there, is another minus. Cosecant 8 pi. 8 pi means how many 90s? 16 into 90. 16 even number. 90 into even number, that function does not change. So cosecant pi by 6. So minus into minus plus cosecant pi by 6. Cosecant 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is equal to 2. Tan 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3 means that is equal to tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. The 19 pi by 3 is converted into 6 plus pi by 3. What is the value of 60 pi? LCM 3. 16 to 3, 18 pi. 18 pi plus pi, 19 pi by 3. So 6 pi plus theta. 6 is even number. Even pi plus means which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So tan pi by 3. 6 pi means how many 90s? 12 90s. 6 180s. 6 180s equal to 12 90s. 90 into even number means that function does not change. So tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 means what? 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Sin minus 11 pi by 3. So sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta 11 pi by 3. So that is equal to minus sin 4 pi minus pi by 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 3. So even pi plus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. Even pi minus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin is negative or positive? In fourth quadrant, cos secant are positive, remaining negative. So sin is negative. Minus sin pi by 3. Minus of minus plus sin pi by 3. Sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next 10th problem. Cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Minus of cot. Cot 4 pi plus 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi into 4, 16 pi. 16 pi minus 5, 15 pi. That is equal to even pi. Even pi minus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Even pi plus theta, first quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. So minus of minus cot pi by 4. Minus minus cancel. Cot pi by 4. cot 45 value 1. No. Okay. Some more examples are there tomorrow. Some more examples. Next, tomorrow compound angles. Compound angle. Sum of the difference of two functions. So sum of the two functions. So this is the compound angle. Tomorrow class. Okay. Listen carefully. Tomorrow some more examples and next time. Okay,